So hello everyone, welcome back to the market analysis video. In this video, we are going to discuss some stocks which have very good breakout potential in upcoming days. So the first stocks which I am going to discuss that is Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra, we can see that it has almost from the top to bottom, it is almost 50% corrected from the top, and now it is making a base in this range. And if you see that lots of if you see lots of accumulation is happening in this area. So if I mark this consolidations area first, and now it has, if it is given a breakout of this range, the range is coming around 1155, or you can round it off 1160, this range. Okay, above this range, if it is breakout, we can get very good target in upcoming days in the range that is coming around this 1400 levels, and not 1400 swing high, that is around 1514, and the next target is around this all-time high 1795 area. I am sharing these levels or the analysis a little bit early because as it is consolidation in this area, if it is given breakout, it may not retest in this area, or it can give a very good up move like 1200, 1250, this level. It can easily get quickly, it has reached in this range, because that's why I'm giving these levels a little bit of early, so you can analyze it and then execute if you find it is helpful for you. So above this level, if after the breakout, we can initiate our trade, long trade for future, and all these are our target. So the next thing is our stop loss, the most important thing. What is our stop loss? Our stop loss will be this candle's low. The low is coming around 1063. It will be our stop loss, and 1158 is our the execution levels. So if I mark, these are all our target. Above this, we will execute our trade, and this is our stop loss, right? And if we see the stop loss level, that is coming around almost 7.65, almost 8%. You may take 88, 90, 90 rupees our stop loss. Now our target, that is coming around 30%, around 350, to the all-time high is around 634. So very good potential, all the IT stocks, especially the mid cap stocks, it has in upcoming days after the correction. So this is the analysis for Tech Mahindra. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, it is Mustang. If you see Mustang also, it has also corrected from the top almost 55-60%, if I'm not wrong. Around almost 60% it has corrected from the top, and from the last 2 months, you see that it has given a very good up move from the last 2 months, and in this month it has not. You may say this is a little bit of retracement. You see this is a very good bullish candle, almost from the 50% of this candle it has retraced. So if I mark the level first, the level is coming around this area, around this 2137. This is a level that is coming. Okay, above this 2137, we also can execute our long target in Mustang. Our target, that is first target, is coming around the twice rejection taken from 2800. It will be our first target, and the second possible target is around this is all-time high area. And what is our stop loss? Our stop loss will be this candle's low, the rejection candle's low, 1889. If it is closes below in this range, so further this bottom can be tested in upcoming days. So this is the stop loss for us. And if I see the levels, let me mark that first. This is our target and stop loss. And if I see the levels is coming, our stop loss is coming is around 12%, around 261 rupees, and our target that is coming around 29% at 644 for the first target, and the second target is coming around 1180 levels. Okay, this is also suitable, very appropriate with our risk to reward ratio, so we also can execute in this range after the breakout of these levels. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is JSW Steel. In the metal sector, it is looking bullish for upcoming days. If you see, so JSW Steel, after the COVID 2020 COVID crash, it has given very good rally from the top, from bottom to top, and now it is consolidating in this range. So if I mark the levels, it is around 792, or you can round it off to the 800, around 800 levels. It is consolidating. Okay, so above this range, we can execute our trade. This is the consolidation range, and above this level we can execute our trade above 800 levels. So our target will be this this correction zone, that is coming around 1150, 1050. This is the level, that is first target that is coming. Okay, so above 800 level, we can execute our trade in JSW Steels, and our stop loss will be this candle's low. From the last 3 months, it has taken support from this range 683, 700 to 683. It will be our stop loss, and our target will be 150. So if I also mark that first, this is our target, and this is our stop loss. Okay, and if we also mark the stop loss area first, almost 14%, around 112 rupees is our stop loss, and our target is almost 32%, more than 1:2 we are getting. 255 rupees is our 260 rupees is our target. So this is the simple analysis for JSW Steel. We can execute above the breakout levels, and our stop loss is around 680 levels. Above the breakout level we can execute our trade. Okay, so the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, it is also uh, M&M. M&M, it is, if you see that in monthly time frame, it has first of all 1400 level, it was acting as a resistance. Okay, this range is acting as a resistance, 1400 levels. Now it has given breakout of this range. Multiple time it has approached these levels and taking rejections, and now it has going very good. So it has very good upcoming potential in M&M also. So this is a bottom, currently bottom 1143 it has made. So for M&M, the target that is coming around, if I mark this closing and this area, this is coming around these levels around 1700, 1650, around 1660 is our target upcoming day that is coming. Okay, so this is the for M&M, and you see that from the last 3 months it has continuously moving, continuously giving a very good green candle, strong green candle. If in this month if it is sustained in this range or hold in this range, then our potential will be much better, much greater. So above this range we can get a very good target in M&M as well, and our possible target will be 1643, and our stop loss will be this month's candle low, that is around coming around 1311. So if I mark the level, then it is coming, this is the stop loss and this is the target. Okay, and also let me measure the stop loss and target. That is, stop loss is around 4 and almost 5%, 67 rupees, and our target is around 261 rupees. So here also our risk to reward ratio, it is quite favoring, and you can execute, you can analyze, and decide yourself. So another stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is also from in auto sector, that is Ashok Leyland. If you see Ashok Leyland also, it is almost trying to reach its all-time high area, that is the range is 170, if I'm not wrong, it is around 170 area. It has, the first time it has came in this in 2018, and in 2022 it has also trying to reach in this range, similar pattern like M&M. Then a little bit of profit booking you can say, then trying to reach that level another time. So in M&M, sorry, in Ashok Leyland, the level that is coming around, if I for the target, if you see, the depth of this range that is coming around almost like this 270 to 280 rupees almost. So this is our target for Ashok Leyland in upcoming days, 260 rupees. Okay, so this is for Ashok Leyland, and the stop loss, first of all, I have to define our stop loss. Our stop loss will be this swing low, 135 will be our stop loss, and above the breakout of 170 we can initiate our trade, and our target will be 259. And multiple time here, if any swing makes, suppose here around 210 reached in this area, less retest in this range 200 from 190 this range, you should shift your SL in this range and then also try to rally, right? You should not wait for this range totally, right? If any bad news came for the market, and above this range, if market sustain in this area, then given a breakdown, so you should shift your SL, right? You should not play blindly for the target. So this is for Ashok Leyland. If you also mark the target, that is the target that is coming around 260 and above the breakout of 170. Okay, so if I measure that, our risk to reward ratio, that is 17 rupees, 18% almost, 31 rupees our stop loss, and our target will be around 93 rupees is our target. So it is also very good potential for Ashok Leyland for upcoming days. So I have discussed two auto stocks, Ashok Leyland and M&M. You can analyze both and then take your decisions. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss is HDFC AMC. So HDFC AMC, from the top almost 3800 it has make its top, and from the top it has very good correction, almost 50-60% it has corrected, and now almost trading its where market has, when HDFC is listed in this range, it has taken support from there. So now it is, if you see that pattern is making almost double kind of pattern, it has completed now, and it has potential to give further breakout, as it is in a good stock for holding for long term basis also. So above this 2300, above this breakout of this range, we can initiate our long trade in HDFC AMC also. Like, this is analysis for HDFC AMC about the breakout. The possible target could be this 3000 level. This is a psychological number. This is a level where it can test it, and above this all time high. Okay, and the stop loss that we are going to discuss, that is coming around this candle's low, is it will be our stop loss. And then let me mark the levels. This is all our target, and this is our stop loss. Okay, so this is for HDFC AMC, and also let me measure the level that is coming around 13%, 335 rupees our stop loss. Our target will be 36%, 830 to 1300 levels is our all-time target, all-time high target. So like Ashok Leyland on other stocks, you should every swing level you should shift your result, and you can rally the this movement also. Okay, so this is for HDFC AMC. And the last stock which I'm going to discuss, that is McDowell's. McDowell's, it is, I think, according to the sales and all the stuff, it is really underrated stock. You can see that after the 2020 crash, it is about the breakout level. If we mark the breakout level, this is the breakout level. Very, technically it is very good, taking very good support from the all the support levels. It has taken support twice, and now it is reaching its all-time high area. And if you see, if you also find also kind of flag and pole pattern, you can see here. If I mark this level like this, so from here the target is coming around 1200 level for upcoming days. Around 1216 the level is coming, or 1200. So this is simple analysis for McDowell's. And this is the resistance level. Above the breakout of this range, you can execute your trade. Above 950, 940, this range above breakout, you can execute your trade in McDowell's. The target will be coming around 1200 to 1216 levels, and our stop loss that is coming around this candle slow. The candle slow is 872. And also, if I let me first mark the levels, this is above this target, and this is our stop loss. And this is also quite favorable for our risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss is coming around almost 60 rupees, almost 6%, and our target is around almost 30% to 87 rupees is our target. It's also fitting our risk to reward ratio. So this is the stocks which I have discussed with you guys. And I have discussed the stocks. All the stocks are at going to give breakout, so you have enough time to analyze for yourself and find the best option for you. And okay, that's all for this video, guys. And the next video, we are going to discuss in next analysis, and the others intraday analysis we are going to discuss. So see you in the next video, and have a good day. Bye.